Hello and good morning, guys. My name is Oluwatosin, and I'm bringing you outlook for three markets that I trade: the Euro, Gold, and also Nasdaq. So I'm making a trade this morning as we don't have much yet in terms of price action to project for the month. And today being the first day in the month of June, um, some people may actually even want to stay on the market, the first day being a Monday. But I'm here, I'm a day trader, and I'm going to try to look for some opportunities. So going very quickly to the um, economic calendar, this is the figure I have on the euro and the dollar only. And I said last week that I'm going to be looking at other assets, but I am considering the spread on most of these assets in my broker currently. It doesn't favor me. And maybe when I have a raw spread account, using some other broker, I would then be willing to transition and look at other markets. But for now, I'm going to stick to euro, gold, and Nasdaq only. So having that said that, so we have the high impact news, medium impact news, and also the no impact news. So we have FOMC member, and this is a very funny. Powell spoke around 1:30 a.m. GMT plus one. We have the PMI numbers, the manufacturing PMI numbers, and manufacturing prices. This is mostly the high impact news, especially because of increase, a 0.6 increase in the PMI numbers, and that will be in the afternoon mostly. So going to the chart, the euro gap down today, and we have an attempt recovery to fill the gap, which was filled before we had a rejection. So I marked out this level here, this zone between 1.16565 and about 1.16605. There's 1.16, which is the low volume node between the value area and the value area high for last week. That was where we had, that's where I think that we had rejection uh, very early in the session, and also a place where we are testing right now. So currently, the euro, last week Thursday, we had a bigger value area that engulfed the value of priority. Last week Friday, we stayed inside it. Today, we are still trading inside that value area. So the market is a bit sideways, although we are drifting higher. And I expect this to drift higher. But this is where we might have resistance, which is why I did not place a trade this morning. So let's just be on the lookout for this zone. If we can go and stay above, that should be a good trade for the New York session mostly, not in London. If you have a resistance here, and we have a retest of VWAP, which is also around where the priority open is, that would be a good place to look for longs. And also the day opening is very close to value high as well. That also be a good place to look for long trade in case you find resistance here. That will be very early in the session. If you do have that trade possibility, trade opportunity very early in the session, that would be great. So if you have a resistance of some sort here, and this place will be a good place to long, or this place as well. So that is the trade idea this morning for the euro. It is still a long, but if you have a strong rejection and it quick drift down, a liquidation move, I might be willing to wait till afternoon before I take any trade on this one. So I'm still long past this one, at least for the moment. The volume has not really projected anything different. So let's go over to gold. And for gold, really as well, we're having a slow drift higher. So we had a support at the value area at the second standard deviation from VWAP this morning. The only problem with this one is the fact that we are below VWAP. We had a rejection. We seem to be unable to break below VPOC for Friday, which is showing us that progression support, but we are below VWAP, and this is a confidence. It waters confidence. The simple fact that you are below VWAP. So this one also long bias this, although this one has been proven to not be correlating with the euro in recent time. So Maybe I'm still long this thing. Well, gold is it's sometimes it's sudden. So we have a test of the second standard deviation during this hourly in this hourly candle. I might actually look for a mean reversion very quickly to view up. But the problem is the fact that we have value value here, which nullifies that idea. So a mean reversion out of the book. Um, Maybe I'll wait a claim above view up to verify things. A resistance at view up would perhaps mean more downside or perhaps a downside today. And mostly volume is drifting higher and I don't want to go against that. So maybe tomorrow we'll have more clarity and I'm not making a new video for New York this day, just for London only. So we just put that in the book. Nasdaq, this one is in a class of its own, all-time high every day. Even before the regular trading hour, the market is making all-time high. Level for support of we look for longs if we do have a retest of that during New York, say with the private AI, which also coincide with the value area low for the day. Is a good place. It's also in a bit of a confluence with the VWAP for the day. So a long almost asset this morning, except gold, which is looking summer. So that's it, guys. Good luck and good trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Don't blow your account. Stay safe and good trades. Bye for now.